Hey, what's up everyone? This is Diego Mangabeira, and on this video I'm going to talk to you why aren't you enriching yourself, having more money, having more financial freedom inside your bills, inside your account, bank account, inside your life, right? This video is really important because I'm talking to a lot of content that's more related to deep inside of you, about your spirituality, about your connection, about your mindset related to money. So come with us, this video is prepared for you. Before we start this video, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to our channel. It's just to push the red button right below, all right, to receive our messages, and also please push the button of the ring. The ring will help you in order to receive our notifications here in YouTube, and also if you're listening to our podcast or also in other social media, please subscribe to our channel going to www.youtube.com/Diego Mangabeira, all right? So getting started into this video about how to be rich, how to have financial freedom, how to create your passive income is more related to the mindset that you think. And probably you have heard about that most of the time. But as we go deeper inside of it, we understand that we have our financial statements based on our education. So if you analyze your growth, okay, since you were a child, a teenager, and also an adult right now, you understand that most of the impact related to financial statements, financial significance, okay, meaning inside of you is related to the education that you receive from your family, from your school, kindergarten, high school, college, and most of the time you are not prepared to understand how significant money is, okay? You can understand that as a contrary situation most of the time, that money is bad, money is related to the devil, money is not for you, so you cannot afford this because you don't have money for it, so you cannot think differently. For example, how can I have that? That's a forbidden question, right? Or how can I have my financial freedom? How can I be a millionaire? Okay, those statements, those questions are forbidden most of the time for people that do not want you to be rich. And most of the time we accept that and we create a limiting belief inside our subconscious mind. And that's bad because most of the time when we are going to go forward inside a business, investment, inside, for example, you're thinking about investing in real estate or in internet marketing, for instance, and you listen to this voice that's not your voice, but a voice of others saying that do not invest in those kind of things, and you kind of, instead of doing something new, all right, you just go backwards. And this backwards that you go is repeating day by day, and also when you have a great statement, great opportunity right in front of you, all right, you do not do that, you decline. And I have many clients that have this kind of, we can say about mental trigger, okay, related to scarcity. And when we have this scarcity mental trigger, we can understand that that's not because of you. That's not what's created because of you. That was not created by you. Okay, most of the time you just earned this from your family or from the education system that we have. I'm not telling you that's the perfect education system, but they do not prepare us for entrepreneurship or also for financial freedom, create passive income in different forms. We can say about internet marketing, as I stated before, digital marketing, Amazon, eBay, drop shipping. We can say about financial cryptocurrencies, for example, all right? A lot of things that we have today, or new professionals that we have today, and new professions that will be created because of the world that we have now, that people are not getting prepared for it. I remember when I was in college, no one taught us about entrepreneurship the way I learned it because of the practical things. There are failures, yes, there are failures. But if you talk to a rich person, if you talk to a millionaire person as a mentor, for instance, there are a lot of mentors for myself that are millionaires. And they talk, we understand that failures are not failures. Failures are learning lessons that we grab to ourselves in order to get bigger, to get higher on our growth statement, okay, in our growth life. We are teachers, okay, and we are learning more and getting more information about what can be done and what can't be done. And that's part of the process. We have failures, we have success. But if we embrace as a single one, a single coin, okay, so we have failure, you have success, you understand that you are always getting forward. And that's really important when we talk about how to be rich. Because most of the time when you have a failure, and probably you might facing right now financial debt, or even you are unemployed right now, you want some job, you are getting more information how to be contracted on a firm, on a company right now. You are in LinkedIn daily trying to get the best recruiter to talk to you. Anyway, probably you are desperate, you are anxious, so we have this connection between money and emotions. Okay, most of the time, in facing this inside the academy here, we see in our clients anxiety, depression. We have this immediatism that we have in today's world, and probably this is being created because you didn't prepare the roots of your life. So when we talk about the mindset that you need to have, it's really important because the mindset is not related only to the mind, but related to your body, your connection to your body, and specifically saying about your spiritual connection as well. I can give you an example, a great example that's really simple to understand. Most of the time, you have some opportunities that came to your life, maybe multi-level marketing, I don't know, financial investments that you didn't know in that time, in that day, all right? And the person was arguing, persuading you to do so. But inside of you, for example, in your guts, you are sensing something, this is wrong, this is not for me, right? So obey your body, okay? Be the owner, be the master of your body. If your guts are telling you to not do that, do not do that. Because we have neurons, specific neurons inside your digestive system. And also, you could feel in the past also in your heart. And today we know that our heart has 40,000 sensory neurites. That's a kind of neuron that we have inside our heart, and it spreads more electromagnetic fields, okay, energy than our brain. And if you feel inside of you, and we call sometimes as intuition, if you felt inside yourself that this investment, this financial investment, wasn't going to be good for you in your terms, okay, you need to think by yourself. You need to think in yourself before you do something like that. So if you felt something like this, obey your heart, okay? Your heart's telling you this is not good for you. In spiritual terms, we have our chakras, okay? We have our plexus, we have our cardiac chakra, and this is related to the Vedas, to the Vedic texts. 30,000 years ago, 100,000 years ago, and we have this knowledge, this magnificence between science and spirituality. And we understood the way our body connects with money and connects with our spirituality. So I'm telling you this because most of people just want to see fast videos, simple videos, just to have fast money, just to fix things. Like some medicine, okay? You take pills, okay, I'm fine right now. But that's not the way life is. If you read the biographies, okay, if you watch videos from people who have money, they do not tend to be those kind of guys in Instagram or Facebook or on other social media just showing them off, okay? Showing them on the beach with Lamborghinis, with Ferraris, or even they do not spread what they are doing right now. On the contrary, okay, they will be working because the daily routine made them who they are right now. So think in that on those terms. Maybe you are following the wrong people that you do not need to follow in order to have money, and you are grabbing bad opportunities, bad financial opportunities, or bad work opportunities instead of going forward in solid, in deep, connected opportunities that will give money, but also not just money, because we teach in our wealth system here in Academy related to the physical, emotional, to the spiritual, to the mental, and to the material. So if you have the 5 system, the 5 topics from the wealth system that we teach here in the Academy, you discover a new world. It's not only related to the money, because we tend just to think on the money, that the money is the problem, money could fix everything, but we know today, we have statistics, scientific saying, most of the fighters, even in boxing, in UFC, for instance, they will gain a lot of money, millions of dollars, right, worldwide, but most of them, if you go further, and this will not be shown to you on social media or even in mainstream media, they tend to lose everything, okay, 2 years to 4 years. 65% of the fighters will lose everything. So imagining you have 100,000 million in your bank account today, and you lose that. Is that related to the quantity of money or the quality of their mindset? Think about it. And if you're going further, okay, let's invest our money in the lotto, in those easy ways that we have on the countries, okay? We tend to invest our money. Oh, this is just a thing that I could invest, not losing a lot of money, so let me go into the lotto and I'll grab 1 million, for example, $1 million, just an easy path. But most of the people that won the prize of the lotto or the prize that you have in your country, okay, that happens monthly or annually, they tend to lose everything. We have a lot of examples. You can Google it, how many people lost everything. And we have a lot of numbers. I remember a lot of cases because we study deep here in the Academy the cases because it's not related to the quantity of money, but the quality of our mindset. So if you're not being rich, if you're not enriching yourself, strengthening your financial mindset, you are losing money. Because instead of investing on the basic things that can help you, the roots of your tree of prosperity, let's make a metaphor. So you have a tree. The tree has roots, and you need to invest on the roots to have this big tree, this solid tree, to grow to the sky and doesn't have a limit. Your limit is inside your mind. And if we have that, we have everything. We have the flowers is related to the money. We have everything that we need, that we have, that we want to have. But to make that happen, you need to become other person, other man, other woman. You need to prepare yourself and grab that verb, to become. You need to become someone else. And I'm not saying that you will change your physical person. That's superficial. I'm saying about your mindset, the way you understand money. So one great tips for you, grab more videos about people that has financial freedom. Grab more books about them. Read more biographies. Okay, get in contact with them. Maybe you are shy, an introverted person, but send them a message on their website or even social media, a direct message in Instagram on him or her profile. You do not have anything to lose. All right, you have a no already, but could have a yes. All right, to get in touch with him or with her, and also. That statement, or self-help statement, believe in yourself, but it's not related to just believe in yourself, but to do something new. In order to become the person that you want, you need to do something new. So do something new today. Do not wait for someone to transform your life, to change your life. You are the owner of your life. You are the master of your life. You have everything inside of you. I know that the moment right now could be not be the best, could be the worst right now. But we understand that when we are connected to ourselves, to our mind, when we are connected spiritually with us, in connection to the universe, we have everything we want. Because all the answers, all the questions we have inside of us, we have the right answers, we have the right questions, and deep inside of us, we understand that money is energy, and the energy will bring us forward in everything that we want in our lives. If you like this video, please like here, comment down below. It's really important for us to strengthen our relationship here inside the channel. And also, if you're listening to us in our podcast, I invite you to go to YouTube, youtube.com/Diego Mangabeira, to watch us and to see our interaction here. And also, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, just push the red button right here and also ring the bell, okay? It's really important for you to receive the new notifications of videos in the channel, and also to make discounted every day that we have here in the channel. There are a lot of videos here that might help you, not just with financial freedom, but also with your life, okay? So light and prosperity. Have a great time. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care.